Hello, today I have Audi A6 C8. It came to us with problem but car not starting from first attempt. It's starting only with alternator, with car equipment with 48-volt system generator alternator who can start your car. And we can try key inside the car, push the brake and try to start. We hear only click and this faults, and then we start another time, one more time. Car starts, but there is the message with engine speed, and if we start it again, it starts. Okay, let's try to find out what's the problem. We plug diagnostic, and diagnostic shows us something wrong with terminal 30, and starter operation incorrect, and others faults with same terminal 30. First thing I check here. It's common jump point, and here should be plus, but there is nothing. Trying measuring with multimeter, showing us 2.9 volts. This cable came from the back. Let's go measuring from the back. This is big cable. Let's try measuring here. Okay, here and here. Okay, connecting here. I take this plus and minus to the cable and show you 12 volts, and our control lamp, everything here okay. Here is joint, but I think it's all okay. I started removing trim panels. This cable came here, there is no voltage here, and I found this place. This is special cable, like here, the same, and there's a joint, and here is something water on. What is this? Strange things happen here. I think this car was flooded. Okay, we can measure here. I remove these plastic trims for better view and take it a little bit carpet, and this is looking like this. This is water, and if I measure, firstly I can measure with test lamp. Take here, everything okay. If I take here, nothing. Here, okay. Here. Sure, it's not good for that I made this hole, but this cable already broken. If I test with multimeter, I take to this hole and take here. This is the same 2 volts from the front point, and here I can take this and this is reading here. So we have problem here. Let's cut this thing and we will see the beauty. First of all, I disconnect this wire from battery and I cut this part. And I already see that here is completely it's moving. Oh, wow. It's completely corroded. In this case, technically you should replace all the cable, but if you want to save money, you can make this joint, but you need to add extra protection and made it good. So I will try to do this. So I made this joint with aluminium, because this wire is not copper, it's aluminium, and we all put together the epoxide glue. So here is our final result. I made this plastic box for perfect sealant, because there is a little bit space in the carpet. It completely fits here, and I think it's gonna last forever. So after the repair, we tested if here correct voltage. Now control lamp glowing, and we can measure voltage here. Now we have 12 volts. And final test, we can start car, and now we listen if he starts with starter. Yes, definitely starts with starter, not with starter alternator. No faults here. Job done.